The sale application requirements is a form that we like to use when we're first initially contacting a buyer. We are not a loan company. We are not going to be securing a loan for him. But this is kind of before we present him to Joe Mahalati from Family First. Before we get him in touch with our mortgage broker, we want to prep the client. We want to make sure that the client understands that Joe is going to need some personal information. It tends to be a lot easier to coming from the agent. Hey, by the way, your mortgage broker is going to request this from you because it's less intimidating. It's almost like you're reiterating what is going to be told to them later on. And so we created these 10 things to secure a loan, which are really important. You want to make sure you have your personal documents. You want a credit report. You want tax returns. You want proof of income, proof of assets, any debt summary, any financial issues to be totally disclosed. You want to make sure that there is a down payment and closing money and where that is, and that it is ready, that it's liquid, that it's not something that they need to cash out. You need to have a complete profile of what it is that they're doing, if they own already or if they're renting. And then you need to have a mortgage pre-approval. And so these are 10 little things that you want them to start putting together. So you're going to need to have their income, their assets, identification, and any additional information. So we went ahead and we put this all together. And again, this is something that obviously your mortgage broker, Joe, will be able to provide for you. You can find Joe's information under londonfoster.net under vendors, mortgage, and Joe Mahalati is there under Family First, and he'll be able to provide you with additional information. This is just for you to prep your client so that your client understands what it is that they're going to need in order for them to secure a loan. It's a great little tool, and I hope it helps you out.